I also want to join in thanking the Speaker of the House of Representatives for making this her most important priority for this legislation, to give us an opportunity, this Congress and the American public, to break with the past, to break with the stranglehold of the old way of thinking, both about our transportation sector and about our energy sector, to introduce into that sector the competition of alternative energy sources, of renewable energy sources, of efficient automobiles that will change America dramatically. As we know, by this legislation, many have said it, by 2030, it will save almost 4 million barrels a day. That's almost the equivalent of the output of this entire nation. You can keep thinking that you can produce your way out of this problem, but it has shown that we can't. We continue to become more and more reliant on questionable sources of energy, and yet this legislation itself will produce and just the automobile standards will produce half of what we import from the Persian Gulf. Changes that dramatically. You can find oil in conservation, you can find oil in Detroit, or you can find it in the Persian Gulf. We chose to go in the smart direction, to think about conservation, not only its impact on energy, but on the environment and on the pocketbook of the American public. 4 million barrels of oil a day saved by 2030, 5 times the output of the Alaska pipeline today. 5 times. It's like finding money in the street and oil in the street. It doesn't mean we won't continue to produce, but it means we're going to be very smart about oil production in this country and about the use of energy on behalf of this nation.